Alright boys, Deus 2 at 11-inch call. This video here, I'm doing this for Gary in Daytona. He's asked a question in one of my videos and I will let him know this video is up. Other saltwater beach hunters, even freshwater beach hunters. Now I'm not going to show non-saltwater programs on in this video. I'm going to show beach program you could use in the saltwater. Beach sensitive is for the salt sand. By all indications, sharpshooter has never used a Deus 2 on a salt beach. Question: could the bird dog program bring you home a nice fine law of averages that could be missed by other detectors? Now we know there's maskers on salt beaches, iron. You know, you get storms, everything gets moved around, okay? Out in the water, you know, you're a little more restricted to your call movement. You know, you don't get a mad cat around out in the water, do you? You know, sharpshooters got a little common sense here. Okay. You see that scenario right there? That is a honker 14 karat gold ring with a colonial nail there and a colonial nail down there at ring level. Now sweeping like this right here, I believe traditional settings will hit it. We will look and see, okay? Beach sensitive 6.8 DS. Now this is not stock DS. This is not how this machine comes, but we'll just look at it with 6.8. Salt sensitivity. The iron volume's at 7, 1.5 for speed, okay? DS 6.8, like I said, we're in pitch tones. You know, you can use this in pitch tones. No bottle cap, notches off. Silencer at 2. No notch. Alright, so this way, we don't have any trouble busting that gold ring, but it's a little windy out here. Bear with me. You hear that? Down close to them nails, 4 inches, 5 inches, nothing. El Zippo. Okay, we're still in beach sensitive. We're going to lower the disc. Now, I've not hunted a salt beach. Probably need to run tracking on this machine should you decide to do this. That's just sharpshooter's estimation based on even people running this machine conventionally. Still in pitch tones, a notch. Dial in 3 to 7. That's what's in that meter. The silencer remains unchanged. The tones is still pitch. What happens? You hear that? 5 inches of call height. Scrubbing them nails. You be the judge. Could this help you? All sharpshooter does is shares data. Okay? Now we're going to the beach program. I've already got it at 0 disc, pitch tones, the notch is exactly the same, the silencer is 2. What do we get? You hear that? Now that's the beach program with a 1 locking up in the meter. Now I'm going into the beach program and where you're going to raise the disc. Now 6.8 is not the stock setting on this machine. Reactivity again is at 1.5. Okay? Silencer 2. Pitch tones. Notch. I'm going to take the notch out. Salt sensitivity here is 9. That's the default setting. So here's more of a traditional beach program setup. What do you hear? You don't hear jack but iron tone. Okay, now we come over here. Naturally, we can get the gold ring in more traditional settings, but not from this angle. How about if we turn on it? See, as I start turning on it, now that's a big gold ring, boys, okay? And this is just one scenario, okay, that old sharpshooter put together. Now what I will do, let's shift this nail here. Let's shift that nail there. Traditional settings. Now I'm coming around so I can get it there, but not there. All right. I'm going to go back in and lower the, apply some notch. Three through 7. That's what's in the meter. Silencer's at 2. Turn the disc back to 0. Now this is the Beats program now. It's running at 24 kilohertz. It won't perform as well as Beat Sensitive, but you can't run Beat Sensitive maybe in the salt water. You hear that? Even down close to that iron. That ring could be laying on the bottom of the ocean floor, and you just, you come on it like that in traditional settings, and you ain't gonna hear jack but iron tone. We'll transition back to Beat Sensitive. We're still in the bird dog setup. Now remember, I moved those nails. What do we get? You hear that? You all be the judge, Sharpshooter tries to help people, you paid a lot of money for these machines, boys, and they can do things for you. The bird dog might break out a gold ring. Now, I've done showed some video. Using Beat Sensitive, you could have a junker Ferris chain masking a gold ring that this detector here may alert you on. From more directions, more angular approach, okay? I hope Gary finds this video helpful. I hope others do too.